Not sure how to begin learning music theory? By the end of this video, you'll know how my music theory club classes will help you to read and play or sing music more easily. It's a sad fact that 50% of students will quit music lessons within the first 2 years. Why? For many students, learning to read music is just like learning a secret code. They find it difficult, confusing, and lack confidence in their ability to read music easily and perform well. What's the secret to success? If you want to develop your musicianship skills, mastering music theory is the key to getting you there quickly. It's fun to learn when you have a proven step-by-step system to enhance your learning and to be part of a music theory club of like-minded musicians, building rapport, learning together, and getting results faster. For the best music theory classes, contact me to learn more about how you or your children can excel in music education. My name is Pfannschmidt, and I've had the privilege of teaching music for decades, helping my students develop the skills that enable them to grow in understanding, achievement, and self-confidence as musicians. A parent of one of my students wrote, "My son has been a student of Mr. Pfannschmidt for 3 years. We have never before had a teacher who brings so much of his own excitement with music and music history to every lesson. He has increased my son's love of the instrument, and this makes him try harder to learn more." Do your children love to sing, listen to music, dance, play an instrument? Ultimate Music Theory Club classes will save them hours of time by teaching them to read, write, and analyze music. Studying music theory teaches students to better observe the details of music so they can learn more independently, more thoroughly, and much faster. Would you like to know more? I've got a free 2-page guide called The Top 5 Reasons Musicians Need to Learn Music Theory. Download the guide. There's a link in the description below. Also, if you or your children want to join a community of like-minded musicians, visit my Facebook page, where I share up-to-date music tips to help you navigate this sometimes tricky learning space. Lastly, if you like this video, hit the like button and be sure to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.